Are you really sure your home's exterior is in top shape? Hidden issues can lurk in places you'd never imagine until they turn into expensive surprises. Introducing our free 68-point exterior inspection from D&D Decorators, a comprehensive evaluation that leaves no detail overlooked. Before our inspection, many homeowners worry about hidden problems, unsure where to begin with maintenance or improvements. Imagine having a complete, clear picture of your home's exterior. From the condition of your siding, stucco, windows, doors, and trim, to the performance of your gutters, downspouts, and more. Gain invaluable insights to help you plan your next projects, budget effectively, and avoid unexpected repair bills. Our process is simple and completely free. No pressure, no sales tactics, and no hidden fees. We walk you through every step, clearly explaining our findings so you can make informed decisions for your home's future. Our detailed report covers 68 critical points, giving you a complete roadmap for your home's maintenance and future improvements. Gain the peace of mind that comes with knowing exactly what needs attention, so you can protect your investment and plan ahead with confidence. Don't wait for small issues to turn into big problems. Contact us today at 912-715-1718 or visit www.dndcompany.com. Your partner in maintaining a beautiful, healthy home, serving the Golden Isles for over 4 decades.